KAC tumpen pinierni amta Diphu Government College along amen ka chethap akisunga buthak kithirthi basai ke klem pithek theda da jok luge charli osomar atum aning kanwangta luge charli chibinang kokpen kachesong na aning kanwang asong si pining le thota me Diphu Government College along ongdung charli osomar atum men chethap dum long wangala la sojone kiram tang chitini phain koyarni TDC first semester charli osomar atum college thenu along amat kachesong asai kedeng patupon la so hut kes e thangsing pen simiona ro tumta chitodun si luge charli osomar atum aphan amen ke thap aphai pa ongnang ji la pen science block pathinang ji pusi ke hang padupon lo kachesong hut kes MI phu thangsing timung kaning ja tengke aning kanwangta DGC long amen ka chethap apor lote lu charli osomar atum kachesong nang vera puthak matha dan lote therak ni la pen chijin so ta ni bonta sai jok jesi chesong nang kop tutilo athe KAC atum non pu anta DGC long ithir klong asai kedeng ka videra pon la pen DGC long amen ka chethabalam ki ke patu ver ke KAC atum kiun eang the ka chebaklang lo pusi inji po
Pangsa institute pangsa kami senji khani tum tuni polo la pen project pen permanent solution ki wanji buni tum karbilo chole song pen athe aning kan wang ke ini tum osomar khan ka song long kam ki wan mai tum tin chotu arang tum chi song lo che song pama lo tum chali pama non talang dam tame ni phai in ko rak tipen dak 6 semester tum final exam chengpo oi fit tame TDC part 1 tum asap sup admission ka siksak do ko jong ni sai jok ji song onong ko dasi tum karbia sumar tu chi song pama mati lo tong chali pama hala bang li tum matha dam lek dang ji dasi dili kanung ji pon ka tum li tum education in charge em li tum jaga si inti tame dak asap so important pidun chetha la pen Diphu Government College akisung kupima kosonma konna pesila pangso kisung kile na pusi
alaman ke bini dak khana kani nako ka theta seat capacity alam lo athini tum seat capacity first advancement da hangam lo je councilung sitame itum memorandum me thandam 1.5 months ke parlo mane 2 months kitling thulon na atame non tame non admission ching bom first year ta admission process dang elo anke non merit list TDC person tame na class tame non anta reply awi matidi dasi students tumange ani lo jablo amar ini nang ko bolas tum bank students arase ni tum si jabdunang ko pasi tum student union tum ta lada bujai dum lo je mane we must get admission by any means pressure period because itum di council ko long sin pressure bidan ne kelimati
Diphu Govt College longke inglong aso tum si ongdungang hoi chirai long nang ji athe ladak Diphu Govt College long jong si inglong aso tum ki charli abar sai long dun de bulote ladak Diphu Govt College do seta inglong aso tum aphan thangnat alia vedat ko puta thangsing timung pen je pontu halapu Diphu Government College Principal Dr. Nirab Kumar Sharma phan phirangke karjahut ke thana tengke Diphu Government College along TDC first semester along string ke thom pangru pet inghoi pharot trok pet sida phan ingkoi ra pho an papat ponsi kaduka ve pharot trok sira poket pechari osomar tuma phan amen thap la anchot kali non phan ingkoi ra pho ke pabat thujia phanta thedungang ring dolang la soteng pulote kaduka ve bang pharosir cap charli osomar tuma phan TDC first semester along amen thap longpo netum ke racharia songatum nang kapin kharateng si kaduka via site me klembom la si racharia songatum jongsi kaduka via phanta amen thapon etnang ji pulote netum ke thangalama ve pusi principal NK Sharma ninjipon
and I have come to know, I told my union body also, college union, they went there and they negotiated and apprised of the fact that already the admission list is hanged. It is given in our college website also, and at the last of the list it is very clearly written that we have given the merit list on the increment of 25% as given by the government. And after a meeting with my admission committee in the college, I convinced my all teachers somehow after lots of deliberations that another 25% increment be given by the government, and we shall give another 25% increase. So it will be, now the present situation is we have 600 seats, increase of 25% by the government as per direction, it will be 750 list is already there. So if another 25% approval comes from the government, which I have already written to the government, I have apprised the CEM also, I apprised the Education Minister also, Director of Higher Education also, Principal Secretary of Higher Education also. If the approval comes immediately, then definitely another 150 seat will increase. So it will become 900.
Diphu Government College along Thanbang Kadure Penchenglok kaprek akenang jia puthak amen ke thabasai bangcheng chia prang nilime thama CM Tuliram Rong ha phan pinpura lo bajil dam laso hut ke ACCM Tuliram Rong hang pen lang pon po pusi lamchak nang chipi dum Diphu Government College along isi kisung nai ke kedam tan tharo pressure kebra troxir kebra pianing kan pen nom anta ki mi Thanbang hoi kepek abutin na Lasi Diphu Government College ka pamisen ji lapen ongdung ke charli osomar atum phan amen ke thapon unjia jakong ke dojia phan akimi Thanbang nang toy nang ji lapen classroom amokhata dor pluk nang ji puta Dr. NK Sharma chuni ripadupo News report long sudaringti Karbiano live